What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now, I know it's been a long ass time, but your girl been busy. Life has been lifing. But in today's video, I want to do a quick wig install. This wig that I'm installing is the same wig that I wore in my last video that I just posted earlier this week. So if you haven't checked that out, check that out. So this wig is a 13x4 lace frontal. I got it off Amazon actually, and you would think that ordering wigs off Amazon would be stupid on my part. But let me just say, there's some very good quality human hair wigs on Amazon, and I recommend that you don't knock it till you try it. I actually got this wig back in July and I wore it for my birthday because it's the first blonde-ish wig that I've tried on. Well, needless to say, it's the first wig that I've had with color. But enough about the wig. It's great quality. You should check on Amazon if you want to get a wig that's cheap and you want it good quality and you want it shipped to you very fast. The products that I use in this video, I will be leaving in the description below. So they're all Ebon adhesives. This brand is beyond great. I love their products. Just like I said before, all of them will be linked down below. I don't want to spend too much time. I've already put like an in-depth wig install showing you guys how I did it in depth. This one is kind of just like, here's this wig, I put it on my head, you watch me put it on my head and listen to some music and vibe out. So for now, I'm going to let y'all just vibe to this music and I'll check back in like halfway through the install. All right, y'all, I'm back to wrap this shit up into a nice little bow. The curls are curling, the makeup is makeuping, but I'm not gonna lie, by the end of this video, I was tired as fuck and I didn't even want to film anymore. Nursing school is kicking my ass, y'all. No cap. I don't know what to do. I am struggling, but I do want to thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I should be having some more videos coming out real soon. Also planning on doing Vlogmas this year, so we'll see how that goes. And again, thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on the video. I love you all so much, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.